CVLIFE sent me this tactical knife and asked me to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So let's check it out and see what you're going to get in the box. And CVLIFE stands for Country Values for Life. Make a lot of good stuff for your rifles, for hunting, tactical gear. So you're going to get a little instruction guide here, owner's manual. Going to get a branded cleaning cloth. It's real fine microfiber cloth. And then the knife itself, and boy, this is a nice one. So whether you're left-handed or right-handed, very easy to flip this knife out because it's got a little ridge here on both sides. So you can do that easily with both hands, single-handed, pop that knife open. The blade on it, it measures in, let's see here, about 3.5 inches. And it's just about 3/4 of an inch thick, top to bottom. It's all black. All the metal is black here. Whole carry handle is black. It's got some plastic grippy sides on it here that are bolted in, and also has a retaining clip here. So if you drop this in your pocket, you can clip that on the top so it's easy to slide it out. And you've got a hole here for a lanyard. So if you need to tie this down so you don't lose it, you can tie it as well, hook it onto a ring or anything else to clip it onto a backpack or something. Super sharp. It comes already incredibly sharp. It's got a nice, very basic angle here to a point. And yeah, to release it, it's got a nice lock. You're just going to push that lock off to the left side there like that, and it's going to come in. And this thing is just silky smooth. I got to tell you what, just boom, just pops right out like that. Really, really like it. It's lightweight, but it just feels really sturdy. It's got a whole metal frame that's holding it together, and it's just really well made. No sharp edges on the outside. Very comfortable to hold it. And there's another way you can flip it out too. Right here on the back, you've got this one. That's another way too that you can get a hold of that blade and rotate it very quickly. So you got here on the side or right here on the back. So whatever you prefer. Hey, I hope that helps to learn a little bit more about this tactical knife from CVLIFE. Have a great day.